Welcome to the University of Central Oklahoma School of Criminal Justice Professional Alum Podcast number 3. I am Professor Mizell, and today I'm visiting with Austin Ralstin. Welcome, Austin. He is a Senior Decision Support Analyst with the Oklahoma Department of Mental Health and Substance Abuse Services. And today we'll be discussing your experiences at the university, so thank you for being here.
Of course.
I would like first to start by asking you, why did you attend the University of Central Oklahoma?
The reason why I attended the university is I had finished my undergraduate degree and I was transitioning into law and pursuing law. And I'm particularly interested in data and things like that. And this degree was a perfect transition to do that. It kind of gave me the basis, helped skill development in certain areas that you don't actually acquire in an undergraduate degree. So learning new material, reading an article by Zimmering, comparative criminal justice systems from around the world, it helped me excel once I got to where I was planning on going.
And you kind of answered this second question, but if you would like to develop on that, how has the UCO School of Criminal Justice helped you in your career?
Sure. So one of the main aspects that I would say outside of the academics is the relationships and the professional relationships and the cohort that you get to experience these classes with. You in your undergrad, you're with undergrads, and they're the bane of my existence, or, forever. Where I know that's not something you probably want to hear. However, once you get into graduate school, you're surrounded around like-minded people that really enjoy the material, that really enjoy the work, and it was exactly like it was in law school. I got in there with people that are passionate about the law, that are passionate about the system and how it works, and wanting to play that role in it.
So with that being said, what advice do you have for people considering graduate programs?
Graduate programs, it's work. Be ready to work and come in with that mindset and be looking for those relationships that can develop. You're not going to get a decent letter of recommendation from an undergraduate professor, but a graduate school, like, that'll change. You'll build those lasting relationships. You're going to develop your field of study. You're going to hone in on skills. Right now, currently in my department, we have like 4 jobs that are listed for my division, and you cannot apply unless you have a master's degree. And I've actually hired 3 people from our program into my division over the last 2 years since I've been out. So we like people from this program. I'm a champion of people from this program, and our reputation has gotten around a bit, and people know about us, and they also like candidates from the program. So.
Okay. Well, thank you, Austin, for joining me today. It's been a pleasure visiting with you. And on behalf of the UCO School of Criminal Justice, I would like to thank you for listening to our Professional Alum podcast. If you would like to correspond with the UCO School of Criminal Justice faculty, or just submit a question for them to answer in the program, please email us at criminaljustice@uco.edu. The School of Criminal Justice Professional Alum podcast is produced at the University of Central Oklahoma in Edmond, Oklahoma. Thank you again for listening. Please tune in next time.